My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. A devotional poem written by Shri Ananda Krishna. The adverse effects of malefic planets only you can remove. The negative influences of the dark world only you can remove. To every soul, blessings in abundance you provide. Fulfillment of desire and longevity, to every soul you provide. Only you can rescue me from the circle of ignorance. In your pure consciousness shall dissolve all my ignorance. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. All my mortal space, your grace shall sanctify. The darkness of my heart, only you can rectify. Through my vital breath, I shall draw you into my heart. The ultimate transformation, you shall bring in my heart. All the vehicles for specific energies are within your control. With your cosmic vibrations, all my living space you control. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. To your inner reality, let my soul connect. Reverberating with your sacred force, let my soul resurrect. Through knowledge, will, and sacred action, I can liberate my soul. Your special energy shall take me to my goal. In my heart, infuse your sacred energy. Your sacred force will provide me all the synergy. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. Let me draw from your reservoirs of maternal love and nurturing. With your grace, all my knowledge shall be flourishing. Your unceasing motherly attention, my soul has drawn. Darkness on my soul can no more frown. You have never turned away your child. You have rescued me from the world that is wild. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. Your fiercer forms has been seen by the mortal souls. Your benevolence has also been tasted by all the souls. Your mystical energy permeates my world. Only you can teach me the deep secrets of the world. The forces of nature and the elements hide your deeper secret. In the darkness, let my soul no more regret. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. Teach me to look with the inner eye of divine perception. The heavens are waiting to give me a divine reception. Only you can control and direct all my energies. Only your grace can provide me all the synergies. The various crystalline, rock, and water formations are filled with your grace. The vastness of the universe I can see in your face. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. Contemplating into your vastness, let me draw into your void. The world of darkness, let me avoid. Your divine energy, in its full and steady state, my soul has seen. In your world of ancient light, every creature has been. The nurturing power of your womb every creature has witnessed. All the planes of existence, my soul has witnessed. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. With sharp focus and concentration, I shall meditate on your being, your powerful tool of grace. Every creature has been seeing. The pulsations of your cosmic energy has reached my soul. The flow of your energy will help me to reach my goal. Your cosmic vibration has moved through the central point of my being. The vibrations of your sacred cosmos, for eternity I have been seeing. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. The minute drops of your nectar will flow from the corner of my eye. Ecstatic experience of your bliss I shall get of your golden sky. You are the source through which the highest form of creation moves. It is your world of divinity that every soul loves. All my vital energies, your grace can release. All my senses, you shall control and put at ease. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. Your power of speech and fire, every soul has witnessed. The darkness of every soul has been addressed. The earth hides your cosmic power deep within. In my psyche hides your sacred will deep within. Out of the depths of darkness, propel my soul to its highest potential, shall reach my soul. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. The upward movement of your energy in my being is energizing and stimulating. Your movement of your divine cosmic energy is striving and motivating. It is your life force that sets all cosmic expressions in motion. You can propel my soul to its highest devotion. Your grace, beauty, and creative force in my being shall enter. Your heavenly nectar shall flow in my heart's center. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all. The flood of your grace has arrived from your cosmic expanse. The heavenly nectar I have drunk of your divine romance. Break down all my limitation, rigidity, and sorrow. The darkness of this world, let me no more borrow. Inward movement of your grace is calming and nourishing. Your divine mercy for my heart is stabilizing and softening. My soul has peeped into your occult powers, O ruler of all.